Good morning. It is time for coffee and a flipped cup. I am excited about all of the wonderful suggestions that I received for coffee brands and different flavors. So I'm definitely going to be grabbing some Stew Leonard's and some Peet's, which I found out that Peet's decaf is actually a water-processed decaf and better for me. So that I'm very interested in trying. Today's flip cup is Titanium White by Amsterdam mixed with Macaw. This has a gorgeous little green, lightish blue hue to it. It's very pretty. Nice shimmer. My other colors are going to be, this is Mermaid and a tiny bit of Nebula. Kind of has this really cool green, like sage green shimmer to it. I have Abolone. I have Mermaid. I have Ore. And then for my bronze, it is bronze mixed with the Folk Art Treasure Gold Fire Opal. And I am going to get busy with this flip cup. My main base is a little bit thicker than the rest of the colors that I have mixed up. So that way, hopefully all of these colors will rise up to the top and you'll see them a little bit more than the white. All right, here I go.
The sun on my
It is 2 days later. And I don't like it. I mean, I really don't like it. This area right here where the macaw is really cool. But that's about it. I already know my mistake. A lot of these colors are transparent, so trying to have them show up against the white definitely didn't happen. My white was probably too thick on top of that. This has turned from a coffee and a flip cup to coffee, flip cup, and mandala stencil. So here's what I'm gonna do. I have been waiting for an excuse to use one of my big stencils that I haven't used yet. I already have it spray painted so that I can see it against the heavy gel gloss that I'm going to be using right here. It is a lot more area to add the gel gloss. If you haven't seen the videos of me doing this before, I will link them down in the description. So I'm going to be using this stencil, and my base is this really dark purple black. This is straight from the tube, and it is mixed with this permanent blue violet by Amsterdam mixed with oxide black. It's about a 6:2 ratio. This black will take over. So, and this was kind of already a pretty darker purple. So that is going to be the base that's going to go on top of the gel gloss. And I'm going to do accents of this iridescent bronze mixed with pewter by Amsterdam. The reason I had to mix it with the pewter is because that golden fluid acrylics is just too thin, and I needed something to have a little bit of body to it. So I'm going to do accents of that, along with accents of Syrah, or Syrah. I'm not sure how to say it. This color by this little piggy is my new favorite. It's pretty cool. And then I'm going to add just a few little touches of the Abolone. How pretty is that? So those are the colors I'm going to be using on here. I was going to put a turquoise color in, but I really think that this will be pretty striking against that Syrah. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not giving up. Wish me luck. This is going to be a mess.
Hop in my getaway car, let's go just for the night. Nowhere is ever too far, baby, all we got is time. A small town, run down, so let's run away from here. From the ghost to the coast, where everything is clear. Follow me, from the past into the future. We don't need any bags or any pastors. Let's be in the present, I don't wanna sweat it, I just wanna start all over. Just wanna start all over. All over. We don't need the memories, just need to wipe the slate clean. Go from chaos to the peace, I need to focus on me. A small town, run down, so let's run away from here. From the ghost to the coast, where everything is clear. Follow me, from the past into the future. We don't need any bags or any pastors. Let's be in the present, I don't wanna sweat it, I just wanna start all over. Just wanna start all over. All over. Follow me, from the past into the future. We don't need any bags or any pastors. Let's be in the present, I don't wanna sweat it, I just wanna start all over. Just wanna start all over. All over. We're on a coaster, we're on a cloud. Hands in the stars, we're drives, cruising on a high life, spending all of my time kicking with you, honey, with you. Honey, with you,
I really cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. It's really different compared to what I've done before. I am going to mess with it just a little bit. Okay, let's see what this looks like dry. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna fix this area once it's dry. I can fix that with a razor blade afterwards, but this is the first time I've used just the heavy gel gloss, and I love it. The absolute 3D dimension on this is just really, really cool. All right, see you guys in a few seconds. For me, it's gonna be at least a day. It's dry. It has been covered with Grumbacher gloss varnish. It's a spray can. I love it. And look at the shimmer. Look at that abalone. It turned this really gorgeous greenish gold over the black or the dark purple. This stencil area does look black instead of purple, which is perfectly fine because it made everything else pop. The Syrah is really, really cool. I don't know if you saw, but I wasn't that thrilled with the bronze that I had added, so I had taken some of it out, and I'm okay with the tiny little accent that is there. But look at the shimmer. I am wicked excited that this was a failed flip cup because it forced me to use my Bigger Mandala Stencil that I don't normally would have tried because it's more intimidating. It's bigger, and this was a fun mess, so I'm totally doing this again. I have 3 more huge mandala stencils that I'm absolutely going to play with now that I can see that I can do this. I believe that the heavy gel gloss worked perfectly with the stencil. The reason I'm saying that is because it was thicker, so it was harder for it to go underneath the stencil, and I am probably going to use that from now on. I also am considering trying a matte gel medium, seeing what that changes the look for it. That way the areas that I want to be shiny can be shiny and the rest matte, and maybe the shininess pops out even more. I don't know, we'll see what I end up doing. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next project. If you are one of my new subscribers, thank you for taking a chance on me. I know there are a lot of people doing this. I started this over 8 years ago, and if I had stuck with my channel then, I probably would be a little bit further along, but I appreciate everybody taking a chance on me. So all you regulars, thank you for coming back in. And if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free. Go have fun making a mess. Seriously, this was a cool project. I hope you all get to go make a mess today and have fun. Thanks for watching.